finish doing what they have to do. And so we'll see what happens, right? Tomorrow is um, inflation number, CPI number. I think anything with a 7 handle tomorrow would be very welcome with the market, right? I think if they get a 7 handle, even if it's 7.9, they would be I think the market will get rid of the 8 handle. I would love to see that 8 handle disappear, but we'll see. We'll see what where it goes. And so that's what the market's going to be looking forward to next. Again, we are kind of mired in that same range as yesterday. So until we decide which way to break out of it, we have to try to be a little bit patient here and see what it wants to do as the market slowly ticks down here. We got a little support at the even area. All right, we'll continue to down tick here a little bit. Looking down at the even areas, our next little support area that we have. Let me see if we got any numbers coming out this morning as we kind of quickly tick down here again. Remember, if you're more risk averse, you want to be a little bit careful in the first couple bars. All depends on your risk tolerance. And if you look at the chat, you'll see our levels that we printed up for you. We got down here to 1 and change there, and I'll take here a little bit. And the VIX is at a 25 handle, not too bad. Kind of right in that area where we get a little volatility once in a while, keep us on our toes. So we're still around 3 to 4 points in our stops. All right, let's see if there's any numbers coming out this morning. Let's concern ourselves with 9 o'clock. We have wholesale inventories coming out. And then at 10 o'clock, and these are all Chicago times, right? There at 10 o'clock, there is a Fed speak. And at 12 o'clock, there is a 10-year note auction, or a bond auction. They're not notes. That might affect financials here a little bit. We'll see how that plays out. All right, market again, slowly coming down here a little bit. Again, got a little support around the even area. As the bar here comes so close, we'll be a little bit careful there around even. Maybe adjust the teensy bit. All right, let's see here. So just the 9 o'clock wholesale inventories number. We'll see how that affects the market. The crypto world was rocked yesterday. One of the biggest names in the biz agreed to buy its rival. Wow, that was rocked. Let's see. Bitcoin is down to 17 handle. Oh, 17,000 change. That's brutal. Agreed to buy its rival, while Binance is still doing its due diligence for FTX.com. The deal would be more of a bailout even if it goes through. There are still loads of questions swirling around, but the shockwave from the events sent Bitcoin down more than 10% to a 17 handle, $17,000 level, and will likely have more consequences in the weeks and months to come. What happened, valued at $32 billion back in January. Sam Bankman's fried. FTX received funding from the likes of BlackRock, SoftBank, Temasek, Tiger Global, Ontario Teachers Pension Fund. However, under the surface, recent questions swirling about the balance sheet of the sister trading house of Alameda Research, resulting in an FTX liquidity crunch as customers pulled $6 billion worth of withdrawals over the past 72 hours. It's a stunning reversal of fortune for one of the most popular exchanges in the industry, given the fact that the FTX and Alameda bailed out several crypto players themselves in the past summer, including BlockFi, Voyager Digital, and Celsius. Flagging the apparent issues was the CEO, who said on Sunday that the rival exchange would liquidate its holdings of FTX token due to unspecific recent revelations. On Monday, Bankman-Fried subbed the tweet's false rumor and said that FTX was fine, but apparently the exchange had too many of its assets wrapped up in FTT tokens. Too many initials here with F. Unfortunately, I don't see a perfect. I think this, the long and short of it, from what I've seen, is we come down here to the even level. In case you're trading, I think I'm not watching. I am watching, also trading, so I'm in here now. Be careful, like I said, always have your stop in place. Again, if you made an adjustment, maybe you made a little bit of an adjustment, it's okay. Nothing wrong with that. The long and short of the thing is, like, it was like supposed to be probably might be some sort of Ponzi scheme that was generated there as we nicely rotate here off of level. Again, maybe you made a little bit of an adjustment. Obviously, if you had 99, you get filled, but maybe you got 99.5 in there. Just a little bit. Well, took off your ones, that's for sure. All right. If you had those in there. Work in this area down here around the even area, see what it wants to do. Again, whatever you decide, make sure you keep your stop in place.